Okay, so we are just at the end of this amazing machine learning and AI workshop conducted at SVIT. And I think I've met some amazing people here, both in terms of talent, knowledge, comedy. So everybody, the best part about you guys is you guys know what you want. Okay, whatever it is, but I'm pretty sure you're sorted. You guys will do amazing stuff. The silent ones, the talkative ones, everyone. How was your experience? Super cool. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, I would like to know how it was super cool. Can you tell me one statement that you learned that you would like to remember for the rest of your life about machine learning? All at once. All at once. No reference. No measurement. No reference. One more thing. Someone somewhere is collecting data. Someone is getting paid for it. Then you have to figure out why the person is paying them. What he wants to predict. The one he wants to predict is the target vector. The one which he is paying to collect data is your feature vector. Fantastic. One more thing. Given constant and variable, what would you like to do? Control the variables, respect the constants, right? If you get all these things right, done. Right. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Kumar. I am from CSE AIML department of Vidhya, Institute of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank our HOD sir, T G Manjunath sir, and then secondly I would like to thank Certisured for providing this amazing course on machine learning. And this course was quite amazing because it didn't just cover machine learning concept, it started from the basics. We invested around 3 days time to deeply cover statistics, and then later on we built from that foundation. We covered all machine learning algorithms. We discussed many industry level projects like how we can use natural language processing and sentiment analysis. We also built machine learning linear regression model kind of from base. What are the formulas used in it? How those formulas are derived? And at last, I would also like to thank Vidhya sir. He is such an amazing mentor. And with this, I would like to end my feedback. Thank you, sir.
Hello, this is Akanksha. I'm a student of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, 5th semester CSE AIML.
Hello, this is Debangana Chatterjee from 5th SEM CSE AIML, a student of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology.
Hello, this is Deepthi Anil Kumaral from 5th SEM CSE AIML from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology.
Hi, I'm Ananya M. Kulkarni, a student of CSE AIML from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology.
Recently, we got this wonderful opportunity of attending a workshop arranged by our department and our HOD sir, which was given to us by Certisured, and the workshop was on the topic machine learning algorithms. So this workshop has helped me gain a very new perspective about AI and also helped me to understand that there's a lot of statistics and linear algebra, which happens to be my favorite subjects that are also involved in AI.
Okay, so before this session, I literally felt very difficult about AI concepts. I didn't have any idea, to be honest. But the major takeaway from this session is now it's crystal clear. Some of the topics, like I know how to approach them, how to analyze. So that is the biggest thing for me.
When I heard that this workshop was on AIML machine learning algorithm, at first I thought I couldn't understand anything since I never studied about that. But after attending this workshop, it was very easy and it was taught in such a way that I could understand. Thank.
I mean, no doubt that statistics and other mathematical concepts are there, but one major takeaway for me from this workshop is basically, I have got a clear picture in my mind what AI is and how do you differentiate between AI as a field and ML as a field. So that clear image is there, and I know how stuff work now and how exactly models are created and predicted. So that's the major doubt that has been cleared in my mind. So for my further studies. So thank you.
Yeah. Myself, Likit, I'm from SBIT, from AIML department. Today, this section was a wonderful and most amazing section of this last section because we have learned many things about AI. Actually, we didn't know anything about AI. Actually, this course was we thought we are going to learn about AI, anything new. But these many days we are learning about only computer science and other programming languages. We didn't have any idea of what is an artificial intelligence and what is a machine learning and what's the difference between AI and ML. And sir taught us very good way, even a layman can understand the words of sir what he taught. And this AI is complete a revolution which takes for the future.
Hello everyone, I am Harsh Pratap Singh from AIML department at SVIT Vidhya Institutes. So the section was really very amazing, and the teaching it is the most good way of teaching, like the way sir have taught us, and we really enjoyed the sessions. And the most important thing was like we have seen the another face of AI and ML, like by seeing we were not aware that analyzing the data could be done in this and so many methods. So this was very new to us, and we have really got interest to learn it. And the session was really amazing, and in between sessions really some good topics, and this was really a good topic. And I would thank the department for serving sir to us. Thank you, sir.
Idea of AI that we had before the workshop has completely changed, especially after acknowledging the fact that there is a great amount of statistics that is involved. So that idea is what made me to attend the sessions every day so that I get a complete idea of what statistics is. So yes, I think that was a major highlight of the sessions.
And some concepts that seemed to be difficult before we attend this workshop now seems much more easier than before.
I mean, the concepts are one part of the thing, but also what I learned was, till now I used to wonder what actually AI is and how ML model works. But now that I've attended this workshop, I clearly have a image or a picture in my head that how exactly it works and what exactly you do there. So that's what.
Didn't know what is AIML since we never had this topic in previous terms. Now we got into we got to know what AIML is. So this workshop was very helpful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
After this workshop, it has become much clearer and what is the required knowledge, like statistics and all. So it has helped me a lot.
Yeah, I had no idea that statistics had this much of a major role in machine learning. It was certainly eye-opening. I thought it was just coding and designing, but statistics and math is a very important subject. I'm thankful I realized that from sir who has great experience in teaching. Thank you.
We actually loved and enjoyed, having Vijay sir teach us all along, and his favorite quote or tagline, we could say.
Then there is no measurement. If there is no measurement, then there is no prediction. Thank you.
Thank you.